Hello everyone, welcome to the session, and today I'm going to talk about top 5 network security engineer courses which is going to be transform your entire career. So trust my words, and I will talk one by one every firewalls and every other solution which is going to be very useful for your entire journey. So the very first product is the Palo Alto products. The Palo Alto firewall and Palo Alto solutions are very popular across the globe. And if you're going to become a Palo Alto engineer, right, if you have the certifications, if you have the knowledge about the Palo Alto firewalls, Palo Alto Prisma Access, Palo Alto SD-WAN, Palo Alto tools like XDR and all, you are going to be game changer in the market. You're going to get very good salary in the market. It's a globally adapted firewall, trust me, and it's a very high demand number one firewall in the market. For if you are dreaming to become a very high quality network security engineer, that's the one thing you have to must do that. Second one is the FortiGate firewall. That's also very important and very lightweight and very low cost firewall. That's why every customer is adopting nowadays. That's a FortiGate firewall. So if you are going to learn the FortiGate firewall, how the FortiGate firewall is going to manage, what is the Forti manager, what is the Forti analyzers, what are different FortiGate WAP and the Forti switch, Forti WLC, you are going to be game changer in the market. So if you have the two firewall knowledge, you are going to become a unique skills in the market. You are going to be easily get 20-30 lakh LPS CTC in the market. But if you want to become a SASE engineer, you want to dreaming to become a very high paid engineer like 40 LP, 50 LP in India, and across the US also you're going to get a very high salary for the L3 and L4 engineer. You have to go for the SASE solutions. That's why the Zscaler is going to be game changer. And also Prisma Access is going to part of the Palo Alto firewall. Other vendors also available, but I'm not going to talk like Kato is there, Netaspoke is there. But if I'm going to learn the Zscaler, like there's a two solutions, GIA and GPA, that's also going to be very good for you. GPIA and GPA and JDX. So these are the solutions by the Zscaler, and these solutions is going to give the very high paid salary. Like if you're dreaming to become a 50 LPS CTC engineer, 60 LPS plus CTC engineer, and even might be 75 or 1 CI you are dreaming to become, that's how this combination is going to be there. By FortiGate firewall, Zscaler, and must you basically have the very good networking knowledge. Or CCN and CCNP basically going to be your foundation. But on top of that, you have to learn these all solutions. Then it is going to be very game changer for your career. Now, if you are a core network engineer, right, and you want to upgrade in the network security, so for you, I won't suggest means basically I want to suggest you the SD-WAN solutions. Means you done the CCNA, right, and you done the CCNP, and you're planning to become the high-paid job, then you have to start with the SD-WAN solution. Any vendor SD-WAN solution. I'm not talking about any specific vendor. Even you can learn the Palo Alto SD-WAN solution. Even you can learn the FortiGate SD-WAN solution. That's why I written just SD-WAN here. Even you can learn the Zscaler SD-WAN solution. So top 3 courses are basically going to from the Palo Alto, FortiGate and Zscaler. And you can learn any vendor like Zscaler, SD-WAN solutions. Even for the Cisco, you're planning to learn Cisco SD-WAN, you can learn the Cisco SD-WAN. So SD-WAN is going to be game changer because SASE is going to be part of the two solutions. There is a SASE, right, plus SD-WAN. That's going to become your SASE. So if you want to become a SASE engineer, you know all the SASE products like Cisco SASE means security product, Palo Alto, FortiGate, Zscaler, and along with that, you should know the SD-WAN. Then you're going to become the high-paid engineer in the market. So my suggestions: go with the CCNA, CCNP, learn the Palo Alto firewall, learn the FortiGate firewall, then you learn the SD-WAN, then go for the SSE, means the Zscaler, SSE, DLP, CASB, and other products like you can talk about the GTNA concept as well. And most and the reliable product who actually transform many global engineer career, that is Cisco. Cisco is like never going to be ignored, right? Cisco is just doing like a lot of kind of the innovation in the market, and millions of engineers across the globe is available for the Cisco, which is doing the daily basis Cisco job, and their family is surviving on Cisco. Like whatever product they have, they learn and they are getting salary from there. So Cisco is going to be always there. So if you have the very good dream to become a very high-paid engineer, you should focus on the Palo Alto, FortiGate, Zscaler, Cisco, and their SD-WAN solutions and their security solution. That's all in today's session. So I hope this is going to be very useful for you, and you must learn a little bit something about that. So if you're planning in 2026 to become a very high-paid network security engineer, I would suggest you should just follow this 5 roadmap, right? You should go with the Palo Alto, FortiGate, Zscaler, and SD-WAN, and then Cisco definitely going to CCN and CCNP is going to part of your journey. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next class.